The GameSir G7 Pro is finally here. Yo, listen up, gamers. The GameSir G7 Pro just rolled up like it owns the block, and honestly, it kinda does. This ain't your average controller drop. This thing's flexing like it's auditioning to be your new main character. We're talking Hall effect sticks, magnetic faceplates, pro paddles, and enough custom options to make your Xbox controller look like a budget cosplay. So yeah, grab your snacks, lock in your KD ratio, because we're about to unbox the GameSir G7 Pro. And trust me, this one's got main character energy. Now, if you've ever touched a controller that started drifting faster than your ex's attention span, this one's for you. The G7 Pro is built to fix the stuff we've all been complaining about for years. No drift, no delay, no plastic flex pretending to be premium. GameSirs out here trying to prove they can do what the big dogs won't. Give gamers what we actually asked for. So the question is, does it really deliver, or is this just another hype controller trying to sneak into your setup budget? Let's find out. All right, let's talk build. Rubberized grips that don't feel like cheap Amazon knockoffs, tactile buttons that click with intent, and triggers that feel like, you know, when your finger just knows you're about to hit that perfect headshot? Yeah, that. The sticks are Hall effect, which means zero stick drift ever. That's right. While your old controller's out here developing personality issues, this one's built like it's allergic to failure. And these back paddles? Oh, they're clean. Not some weird add-on nonsense. Actual programmable paddles that sit flush, ready for your sweaty thumb war moments. And magnetic faceplates, you can literally pop them off and switch colors mid-game. Imagine dying in Warzone and rage swapping your controller skin just to match your defeat. That's elite level coping right there. Now let's get nerdy. But chill, the GameSir G7 Pro runs wired and wireless on both Xbox and PC, uses low latency 2.4 gigahertz, and even has onboard audio controls. You can literally adjust volume and chat mix from the controller. No more alt-tabbing mid-game like a boomer. There's also full software support through GameSir Nexus, so you can remap, tweak sensitivity curves, trigger travel, the whole deal. It's basically a full control lab that lives in your setup. And bro, let's be real, this thing costs way less than the elite controllers that break after 2 seasons of COD updates. Here's the truth bomb. The GameSir G7 Pro is that underdog controller that showed up to the party, flexed on everyone, and still offered to pay for snacks. You get elite level precision, no drift, and actual design brains behind it, not corporate recycling. If you're the kind of gamer who doesn't just want to play but perform, this controller might be your new sidekick. And if you're that person still using a stock controller, my guy, it's 2025. Upgrade your hands. Look, I've tested enough controllers to know when a brand's just flexing for clout. But this is different. The G7 Pro is like that one quiet kid in the lobby who suddenly drops 30 kills and disappears before you can say, what loadout was that? Meanwhile, Xbox's official controllers still out here acting like drift is a feature. Sony's charging extra for paddles like it's DLC. And Apple, don't even start. They'd probably call this a Pro Controller Ultra Max Plus and charge $400. GameSir came out swinging, and they didn't miss. If you want to see me actually test this beast in game, drop a comment below and spam G7 gang. I'll drop the full gameplay review next. Stress test, aim precision, and a few rage moments, because you know I can't resist. Links in the description if you want to grab one, but only if you're ready to make your old controller feel like a relic. Hit that sub button, join the fam, and let's keep making these companies sweat. Because around here, we don't just unbox tech, we expose who's really bringing the game. Peace out.